Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Morgan, the Ryker chick, and today is very exciting because I got my 3-piece luggage set from Slingmods. It came early. It wasn't supposed to be here till end of October, but it is now end of September. It just arrived yesterday. I haven't even opened it yet. I'm gonna unbox it, we're gonna install it, and I'll tell you my first impressions. Keep watching. I like how it says,
to avoid lockout during install, we recommend to immediately separate all of the provided keys, a set of the provided keys, and store as a spare.
so this tells me that people have run into this problem before, so noted. We'll make that happen. Okay, so included in the kit for the 3-piece luggage set is the top case, 2 saddlebags, the mounting bracket, and all of the necessary hardware, cable ties, zip ties, etc., and some instructions. Okay, so we got everything unboxed. We made a ginormous mess over here, and just gonna get started trying to install it. Now, this really isn't gonna be like a how-to install this set video. I am not the most handy. I'm gonna try to do this myself. We'll see. I'm just gonna follow the video from Slingmods. They have a really good video talking about the luggage set itself and a tutorial on how to install it. So I'm just gonna follow that and we'll see how it goes. But I'll try to film some of the process of me installing it. So wish me luck. Okay, real talk, you guys. So I am having a little bit of trouble with this. It's not that I can't do it. I can figure out like what bolts and everything, what tools and everything that I need. I just need a little bit of assistance making this happen. So I called my dad, called in reinforcements. My husband is stuck at work this evening and I really want to get this on tonight because I'm just impatient. So currently I am trying to remove the arm piece that held my shad bag, and this thing is stuck on here. Like, the dealership installed it for me when I bought the bike, because I bought this with it, and they installed it, and these little bolts are on here really tight and I can't get them off. So my dad is super handy. He used to be an electrician, and because there's a lot of wiring and stuff that goes along with this, I just want an extra set of eyes on this. I feel fully confident that I could do it myself, but I just, I think just because it's an expensive set of luggage, it's a little bit of a complicated install, and I just want a little bit of assistance with it. So he's gonna come help me with this. Hopefully we can get started with this. Like, step 1, remove the old saddlebag, and I'm trying not to damage it because it's in really good shape. I will keep you updated. Okay, so my dad just left a little bit ago. Alec came by and helped for just a little bit, just a few minutes, and we are making some progress. It has been a little bit of a journey. I can kind of show you. We've got the mounting brackets, the mounting plates, all that stuff on. The wiring has been one of the most confusing parts of it because it really doesn't come with very clear instructions on. It's really just like a bundle of wires that it came with, and it really doesn't say how it's all supposed to work. But I think I finally have it figured out. I'm gonna keep working on it. I'm determined to get this done tonight. You guys, I did it. Ta-da! So I have to fix the wiring still. I've got to tuck the wires away. But yeah, I have the luggage installed. I just tested the lights. The turn signals work. The brake works. I just have to get these wires all cleaned and tucked up and put the bike kind of back together. Some of these little plastic covers and stuff. But it's done. And it looks really good. I really like it. Very excited. All right, hey you guys, so it is a couple days after my initial install of my 3-piece luggage set, and I figured I would just come on. I'm just out for a little ride this evening, and I figured I would just come on and kind of give you my first impressions, my initial thoughts of this luggage system. I've had a chance to take it out for a couple little rides around town, on back roads, on highways, really given a chance to see how it performs. And I'm going to get off the bike here in just a little bit and just do a little walk around, kind of show you a little bit better of some of the inside of the luggage. It's a really nice system, so I'll just get straight to it. I love it. I am very, very impressed with this luggage. I think it's a great solution for storage for the Rykers. I know that's kind of the one complaint about Rykers compared to Spyders or other like touring bikes, is that there's just isn't a lot of storage. The front trunk on the front of the Ryker gives you some storage. It's just not enough though. But this system is great. The lights on the back of it really are super bright, and it just helps with visibility. My friend was riding behind me the other day, the evening that we took it out. The evening I got it installed, we went for a little ride around town, and he was like, holy crap, that's bright. So I love it. Visible. Bright lights equal visibility. Helps your presentation on the bike. And it looks great. I love that it's a waterproof, lockable solution to the much needed storage on these bikes. And of course it's in time for this trip that we're going to be taking next month, and I'm stoked about that. The install itself, I mean, you guys saw I had a little bit of trouble with it, but I got it figured out. So I think the hardest part was the wiring, just because the wires come in like a bundle, and there's like 4 separate parts for every single there's 4 separate parts for each side you have to plug into the brake lights, and they just don't explain very well how they all go. So I'm going to make this kind of quick because it's a very ominous looking storm that direction. So I'll kind of get off the bike and sort of show you what I'm working with here. This is the luggage right here. I think it looks really, really good. And of course these are removable. So let me get my gloves off here. Yeah, all the pieces are removable. Of course, if you're going to do that, you have to disconnect the wiring, but it looks great. Let me show you the top case first, because I just think this looks so cool. Look how nice this looks inside. I mean, it's like quilted leather lined. It's got you know, the straps in there. It can hold 2 full-size helmets. I think I told you guys with my Shad saddlebag, my initial helmet, my LS2 helmet fit in the Shad saddlebag, but my Scorpion did not. Maybe the Scorpion helmets are just giant, because this fits. It fits in the trunk, in the top case here, but I have to kind of turn it sideways. But for I think most normal full-size helmets, you should be able to fit 2, just 1 on each side here. So, but it does fit. But I have to kind of turn it sideways. But there's room for everything in here: my helmet, my jacket, my gloves, with room to spare. So I just think this looks super cool. And then these, I'm pretty sure, and this is kind of one of the downfalls of this, is that you have to unlock. I mean, I guess it's a good thing too. You have to unlock these in order to get into them. Somebody correct me if that's not the case. But yeah, straps in here too. Plenty of room. I could store all kinds of stuff. I'm going to get some liners for in here, so when we go on trips I can just have stuff in here in the liners. We can get them and go. But yeah, I am really, really happy with this entire system. One of the it's a very small complaint, but one of my complaints is how many keys I have now. So I've got, of course, this is the little thing where my bike key attaches. This is the lock for my parking brake lock. And then these are keyed separately. I kind of wish they were all keyed together. That's kind of one of my complaints. Like, this is a full set. It should be all keyed together. Did you see that lightning over there? That was nuts. So yeah, this is the one for the saddlebags, and this is the one for the top case. It's just like extra stuff. And then of course, I've got a house key. I've got my earplug container. Ooh, that thunder. Oh my gosh. This is just like a mini garage door opener that we programmed for our garage door. So when I'm out, I can just pull this out of my pocket and get into my garage. So anyway, yeah, 2 thumbs up for this system. I really like it. I'll have it linked down below. I also have all of my modifications linked down below as well. If you are ever curious about that, I try to do a good job about linking all of my gear, my modifications, any accessories in the description bar below. And if you're interested in seeing the video about my modifications, click this card right here. And that's pretty much it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to stick around for future videos. And until next time, ride safe, be kind, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.